Look at this poor guy. I don't know what the heck happened to him. He's been through some tough times, huh? I'm not messing with you, buddy. You soak up all the sun you want. You already lived a pretty rough life, I could see. Jeez. Oh my God. So these saddlebags, holy cow. They are the cheesiest. Even rusted. Look at it. I put them on anyway. This side has a zipper with no zipper. The other side actually has a zipper that you can open. This side had the holes punched, so this would be, you know, pretty tight on the bar. This side didn't. I had to put holes. As you can see, this side has a zipper. I think they forgot something on the other side. Pretty cheesy. Would not recommend. And the tool bag. I was gonna just send it back, and I said I gotta put this thing on just to show. Look at it. It's rusted pieces. That's what they look like, boys. Those are some cheesy bags. But I gotta go to post office, so take the RPS CRUISER. So I could definitely see this bike as a first bike, starter bike. Something you want to pass your driver's license test with. Definitely for shorter people. Or just someone like me. I'll get 70 miles to the gallon. That's only, what, 320 pounds, something like that. So it's not super heavy either. Those bags, though. I don't think a full-size set of bags will look good on this. There's probably not many other options. I keep them on there to let them weather. Definitely got to fix that fuel gauge when I get back. Let's see what front sprocket they put on this. They can go up one tooth. What the heck's going on here? Let's see if I got a wave. I got a nod and an open mouth stare. New construction. I gotta get with these people. Gotta hook up with them. I don't have my cigar either. Brother. See this being good for an older guy too. You know, someone hasn't ridden in a while. Want to get back on a bike. It's not too heavy. Low to the ground. Pretty sure they claim 70 miles per gallon with this. Go get mama's mail.
A few moments later.
It's a cute little bike. Get to try out one of these saddlebags. But I guess I'll keep these on until I find something better. Everybody's still looking at the manatees. Suppose I should fill this up, huh? Could it be it's that low? Because it does take 2.6 gallons. We will see. Put some 93 too. Woo! Got some pressure there. Damn. Huh, I just put almost another 2, so we'll see. Well, it's showing full now, so. Jesus. Almost there, buddy. Jeez, this intersection's almost done. It looks so much different here in the corner where Granny's is. Turning that Winn-Dixie into an Aldi's. How long before you guys are going to be done?
It's going to be a while. Yeah.
Another month or so?
Oh, no, it'll probably be a couple months.
Oh, a few months? Yeah. Nice. You gutted the whole thing out, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Damn. Cool. Have a good day.
You too, man.
They wanted it. They wanted my cruiser. Couple months. The heck are they doing in there? Yeah, it's a fun little bike. I suppose you could call this like a mini cruiser. Somebody compared it to the Grom size bikes. It's a little bit bigger nose, and it is a 250. Yeah, mini cruiser, huh? It's not quite mini though. Definitely not micro. So I guess when you get down to like 3/4 of a gallon, it's gonna be flashing empty. Always gotta watch, boys. Always gotta watch. Already wore a little bit of paint off with this.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.